Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am excited about this upcoming season. What season is this? What am I talking about? Why am I so excited? Oh my gosh. If you want to find out, stay tuned. Alright you guys, welcome back. Guess what? It is fall. Soon to be anyway. It's my favorite season of them all. I absolutely love fall season. I love the weather. I love the changing of the leaves. I love the crisp in the air. I love the smell of fall. I just love fall. Absolutely love fall. I love to decorate for fall. I love the fact that we get to pull out our little sweaters. We don't need a heavy jacket. We just need a big bulky sweater. I love the fall colors, the burnt oranges, the burnt reds, the bright yellows. I love the olive greens. I just love fall. So, what I did was I collaborated with my sister, Miss Craft Today at Rita Renae, with Rita Renae, and I decided that we would come up with a great idea. And the idea that we came up with is a fall collaboration. The title of the fall collaboration is It's a Fall Thing 2019. We are leaving this up to the creator, which means we're leaving it up to you to do what you want to do for your fall decorating. Now, we thought it would be a great idea if you did a tablescape, if you did a wreath, if you did a fall decorate with me, a fall home tour, if you did some pumpkin spice bread, or if you decided that you would do a pumpkin soup, or if you wanted to do an acorn soup, anything that you want to do is left up to you. It's up to your discretion. And we are giving you this opportunity to show us YouTubers what you can do. Okay? I can't wait to see what it is you guys come up with. The rules are really simple. We ask that you mention our names, and I should say our channels, which is, mine is Miss Cheryl's Place, as you well know. And Miss Rita's is Craft Today with Rita Renae. We're asking that you subscribe to our channels if you have not already. And we're asking that you share this video so others can subscribe to our channels. Share the open invite as well so that people will know and are aware of what it is we're trying to do. The upload date for this video is going to be on the 22nd of September. That gives you 1 month to come up with the best idea or best creation or best fall decor you can come up with. Okay? We're also asking that you hashtag It's a Fall Thing 2019. All right? That should automatically put you on the playlist. If it does not put you on the playlist, it will give you or give us, the creators, the opportunity to add you to the playlist. There will be a playlist created, and you will be able to add yourself. But once again, if you're unable to, your hashtag will allow us, the creator or the host, to be able to pull you, the creator, into the playlist. So, without further ado, I welcome you to be a part of our fall collaboration. I welcome you in to be able to be a part of It's a Fall Thing 2019. We would love to see what you guys come up with. We are waiting and anticipating for the 22nd of September, which you, by the way, can load your video up on the 22nd of September, anytime after 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is perfectly fine. Whether you are on Central Standard Time, whether you are on Pacific Standard Time, anytime after 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time works for us. Now, once again, I look forward to seeing what it is that you come up with in this It's a Fall Thing 2019 collaboration. You're invited. Come on in. Enjoy yourself. Do what you do best. Have a great time. Get comfortable. It's all about fall, y'all. I look forward to seeing you in this collaboration. And always know that you are welcome at Miss Cheryl's Place. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe bell button and hit the bell next to it. Therefore, you'll be notified of all my uploads and all I got going on at Ms. Cheryl's Place. Also, I really appreciate all of my old subscribers that have rode with me or have been with me since the beginning. You guys really don't have any idea how much I appreciate you. And to the ones that are recently subscribed to my channels, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate you. I hope you guys stay along and stay around long enough to see me reach my goals. And I'm bringing you right along with me. So, once again, know that you are welcome at Ms. Cheryl's Place. And I will see you in It's a Fall Thing collaboration. Have a great day.